Hey there people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I got the latest Blox Fruits script for my Roblox on my Android phone, and you can also do it on your iOS phone or your PC. So guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you everything step by step how I actually got this for free online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. So guys, for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called bloxfruits.com. You will find it easily. Click on browse all scripts and then you will find Blox Fruits. Click there guys and it will start loading. So now we will have to connect our account with this tool. So we'll have to find our user ID of our Roblox. So if you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, just click here how to find your user ID, or let me simply show you. So go to your roblox.com on browser, log in there guys, and go to your profile like this, and then go to your link of this profile and just copy your whole link. So just copy this, and guys, in this link it contains the user ID. So from this link we will paste it and go to back to the tool. So just click here on this button and it will automatically scrape only your user ID. So just click connect account guys and it will start fetching our Roblox profile, and you should get this user found and your name. So there we go guys, we successfully connected our account. So now is really important steps. So for Blox Fruits script, we'll have to get any executor into our Roblox. So don't worry if you don't have, because we can import through this tool. So if you already have Delta Executor in your Roblox, just select yes. If you have different executor, just select this. I already have a different executor. And if you have no, just select no. So I currently have no any executor and I want to import Delta Executor. So just click here, import newest Delta Executor, and guys, now there we go. It's the main step. We will select there our Blox Fruits scripts. So I will select Overflow, Forge Hub, Nikius, and Soluna. These four are the best for me, so I will select them and click continue. So guys, it will start connecting to the API. So make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials. So yeah. There we go guys, we got API connected, nice, and our four scripts are selected, and also we got our activation key ready, nice. So now we'll have this small bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So we will just click I'm not robot and it should verify us. So there we go guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check guys. Our user ID connected and our key is connected, and now we will open our Roblox to see does it actually work guys. So I will open my Blox Fruits and then we should receive Delta Executor along four scripts. So let's click on Blox Fruits, let's click play, and then let's see what we'll get, if we will get. So we're testing now bloxforge.com. I will click on this and there we go guys, we got our Delta Executor successfully and we got our four scripts. There we go guys, Overflow, Forge Hub, Nikius, and Soluna. So let's click on Nikius for example and let's see does it actually work. So we'll see, is it actually legit, is it working, and can we play guys. We got it loaded. As you can see, we can test something like click teleport, max zoom, always day. Look at this guys, farming, look at this, farm nearest, let's click there. Look at this guys, it's freaking amazing. So this bloxforge.com website is actually amazing, where you can get all these free scripts only without downloading any modded APKs or software guys. That's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.